Foundation of the Seas. This is our this is not a fine dining, but you know, they have a lots of food here. They have fruits, they have bakery, foods again, they have bread, salad, magsasawa kayo. Sobra. Nadalala ako kasi I'm full. Sobrang dami ng food. Nakaka-amaze. This is a noodles. This is a bread section, ham, cheese, tuna. It's okay. They have international flavors food. Sarap. Have a bread again. Oh, they have Asian food. Maybe I can show this one. Parang hindi ako nakarating dito kanina. Kasi marami na talaga akong nakain. Oh, ay, sorry. Oh, we're near na in Malaysia. This is dessert. Ayoko na mag-dessert. At baka lumabas ako ng this is one. We're near na in Malaysia. They have a lot of here. Ang daming pagkain. Amazing. The market are very may amaze kayo na lang talaga susuko dito sa they have international food again, vegetarian food. Again, vegetarian. Sorry. Pasta. We have a section of pasta. We have a section of hot dogs and burger. And dessert again. Have a lot of food here. And the right side, this is Malaysia. Try natin lumabas dun sa likod. Open. Okay. Alam niyo ba na they have coffee, unlimited water, ice, lemonade, fruit punch, iced tea, and coffee. Okay? Hindi kayo magugutom dito. And this is the back of the ship. Nasa dulo po tayo ng ship. By 3 o'clock, bababa na kami. We're going to Malaysia. Hindi, Malaysia na talaga pala bababaan namin. Okay? We're going to pinakataas. Actually, marami kang maano dito. They have a lot of fish here. Flaminging bird. Almost na. They have a flow rider here. But unfortunately, fully book na sila for 4 days. Grabe. This one. Flow rider. And also this one. Ito rin, gusto kong i-try pero i-sealed. Grabe. Fully booked na sila. Yun. Pero try natin. Try natin tingnan. Gusto ko to. Okay. Sometimes parang feeling ko kahit na ini-enjoy ko rito yung cruise ship, mas masarap pa rin po magbakasyon kasama yung family mo, mga anak mo. This is a once in a lifetime pero wala na tayong magagawa. Actually, buong ano yata, natutulog ako. There also a pool here. I don't know. Oh, this one. Maganda din ito.
Stop there, stop. Good. Now, second round, you know what to do. Now it's gonna be your neck. Yes, we need to see who got to the very final. Yeah, in the neck. Alright, are you ready? Take your time. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, let's start at the same time. Let's start again. When I say go, go. Alright? 3, 2, 1, go. Audience, one more time. One more time. One more time. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Caribbean. Royal Caribbean International.
Okay, she got to the wow. This is so now is your the junior cruiser.
Actually ha, kulang yung 4 days mo dito na naka-check-in sa Royal Caribbean or Ovation of the Sea para maikot mo yung buong ano talaga, buong barko. So what I do from dulo sa dulo, yun na lang ginawa ko. Yes, we're going here. Dulo naman tayo. O, diba? Huwag na mag-solo flight. Maganda tong mag-solo flight. Kanina nasa likod tayo ng ship. Ngayon, nasa front tayo ng ship. O diba? Na malapit na bumaba. Kailangan. Okay. Pero maganda dito. Ikot na tayo. And finally, finally daw. Ikan na ako doon. Board. Okay. Actually, mainit na dito sa labas. I need that to check.
The junior cruiser. Everybody give it up! She won the medal, the golden.